Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the country and region, thereby the language on the Amazon.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that go to the top of the screen and here you can find this button next to the search bar where you can change the language. Here you can see a bunch of options and all you have to do is just tapping onto this circle and then the language of the whole website will be changed automatically. You can also change the currency by tapping on this change button. So here you can select the currency. And if you go back to the top, you can also change the region, as you could see at the top. So if you are done, tap on this Save Changes button down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.